My to-do lists have been my lifesavers. I need them to remind me what to do every day, but how can we prevent them from becoming endless checklists of menial tasks, most of which have no significance? I'm Maria, and in this video for Minutes with Maria, I am here to help you create a better to-do list or how to set your daily goals and priorities. So I agree that an endless checklist of items such as emptying the cat litter, sorting my socks, and Swiffering the floor can just be time consuming, where at the end of the day, even though I've checked off many of these tasks, I still feel unproductive. And therefore, being busy is not proof of being productive or doing meaningful activities. Have you ever checked off a bunch of things off your to-do list and feel like you really haven't done anything? Let me know in the comments below. I know I've done that. However, what if we organize our to-do list into daily goals and priorities according to important categories or rocks that we identified? If you don't know about my rock, marble, and sand strategy of time management, make sure that you watch that. You can find that link below and here. Here's a sample to-do list of what to do each day. Watch this video to the end to learn how to use this and where you can find a template for this. Under each important area, I will write goals and priorities that I need to do for the day. So for example, for my work role, my goal for one day might be to prep for that class for the week. And then my priorities might be to grade one set of papers, email students who are missing assignments, and then to turn in an employee form. And then under family, a priority I have is to make a dentist appointment for my son. I would then do the same under each role as needed. Some days I don't have any goals or priorities for certain areas, which is fine. So as you can see, I have a list of some goals and priorities sorted into the important areas. Now here's my challenge. From what you have listed, what is your number one goal for the day? Not in each category, but your one goal that you want to get done for that day. Your number one goal does not need to be that urgent bill that needs to be paid, otherwise you'll be charged a late fee. That would be a priority. But what is one goal that you want to achieve for the day? A goal is something that will help you towards your long-term goal or something important that you want to achieve. Choose from one of the goals from your important areas. For me, it's often something that will get me closer to my long-term goal. So for example, maybe it's to record a video or to find 5 new recipes that will help me in my thyroid health. Choose only one achievable goal for the day and then make a list of your top 3 to 4 priorities for that same day. These can be things that have a deadline, such as that urgent bill, or they can be the other goals from your other roles. Again, limit your priorities. Tell me one of your goals or priorities for today in the comment section below. By choosing one main goal and 3 to 4 priorities, I find that I can achieve more each day and feel more productive rather than having a long list of things I can just check off. Also, by narrowing down my list, I am forced to think about what is truly important. Do I really need to sort my socks? Maybe one day. And then by organizing my tasks under each role, I can focus on these activities as I carry out these roles during the day in the time that I blocked for these items. I made a video about weekly time blocking. If you haven't seen that one or the one about the rocks, marbles, and sand, I linked that in my description, and so check that out. I can say that working at home, this method has definitely helped me manage my time better so that I can focus on the things I need to do according to the areas in my schedule, rather than haphazardly checking off a long list of unimportant or unrelated tasks. Also, when I have achieved my goals and priorities for the day and have some time, I can then tackle other things that I may need or want to do, such as organizing my sock drawer. Be mindful of what is important and what is not, and consciously separate these items so that your time will become more productive and efficient and help you develop a positive mindset, knowing that you can accomplish things that are important. I don't check off as many items as I used to, but the items I do check off matter more. What are some goals that you want to achieve? How can you break them down to achievable daily items? Let me know in the comment section below. If you want a template of my to-do list, I have a link to it in my video description. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. Watch these other videos that I have made about time management, and then subscribe for future content about how to develop a fruitful and healthy mindset. And thank you for watching.